how I quit smoking. It's not very good story actually, but I will share. I got divorced 20 years ago. When I was a teenager, I was also smoking, but that's another story. And after divorce, I was completely broken. And I didn't know how to deal with this mess. All my life and my fairy tales and dreams actually collapsed. And I was completely broken. I was in a million pieces, and actually I didn't know what to do and how to help myself. I was then 26 years old. And I went to the shop, and I saw in the shop cigarettes, and I bought it. I went home. I was smoking. When I finished this package, I went to the shop and I bought another one. And when I opened the package and lighted the cigarette, then I started to think about that. Stop. What I'm doing. Why I am smoking. Because of what I'm smoking. And because of who I'm smoking. And then I realized that I'm smoking, so it means that I'm breathing this smoke inside of my body because of marriage failure. I'm breathing this smoke inside my body because of him. And then I realized that because of him, I'm not going to breathe the smoke inside my body. And then immediately I felt that I don't want to smoke that cigarette anymore because of him. And then immediately I smashed a cigarette, and the full package was staying on my kitchen table, and my friends were taking one by one and smoking it. And I didn't touch this package anymore because I felt that I don't need this anymore. And after that I realized that how it is actually possible to quit smoking if you're analyzing that what is the reason actually why you're smoking. If you really enjoy smoking, then agree with yourself that from now on I sit down and I start to enjoy smoking. And all the smoke what I'm breathing in, I just enjoy. And I take all the pleasure. But if you really actually don't enjoy this, then try to figure out that what is the reason that makes you smoke. And then ask yourself, is this reason really reasonable to have a smoke, to have a cigarette? And another thing, nowadays there is so many flavored cigarettes, e-cigarettes, and this is totally different story. I think if you're starting to smoke it, it's maybe already quite dangerous to quit it because the taste is already delicious and brain wants more and more and more. Hookah was very popular in the early 20s. I understand that there is a tobacco and burning coal and a tank of water, but what's inside this e-cigarette? What's inside this ampule? I'm already getting shivers when I look at it. Why would I want to draw some unknown liquid into my body? Do we really know what else is inside this liquid? Our body is not laboratory that it gives signals into our brain that that's good, that's bad, that's dangerous, that's safe. We just have to trust, but do you really trust the liquid? You don't know? I don't trust that liquid. I don't trust anything what's actually artificial. How you can, tease brain or play with the brain is that if your brain is telling you that, go and get the cigarette because I want to get that feeling again, then put your sports shoes on and go for a high intensity interval training running, so that you're doing this 30 seconds high speed running and then you're resting. Then 30 seconds high speed running and then you're resting. If you're doing this 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, can you imagine? It's nothing. If you're doing this 20 minutes, then after that, brain starts to release serotonin and the body is full of good feeling, euphoria. This is how you can trick the brain so that it doesn't lead you to the cigarette. But always, if you lighting a cigarette, look inside the roots. That what is the reason? What I am feeling right now? What I'm trying to soften this situation. That what is this? What I'm doing right now with this cigarette and with the smoking? What is the thing? What I'm doing right now? Is it just like spending time? Filling space. If I'm feeling bored, so that I do something that I'm not bored. I was stressed and now I'm going to relax myself. I had to argue with my partner or colleagues or with children or with friends or with mother or father, and now I'm going and calming myself down. So what are these triggers? Actually, what's making us to smoke? And then when you're realizing that, I had a conflict with this person, or I had an uncomfortable situation, and now I'm going to relax myself, then think that I'm doing this because of this situation, or I'm doing this because of that person. With this situation, or with that person, or with this case, I'm damaging my physical body. Really? Do I really want to damage my physical body because of this situation or with this person? No. No. Release painful emotions. Stop automatic thoughts. Learn how to conduct a healthy dialogue with yourself or your loved one, with simple instructions for all ages. Don't suffer any longer. Learn how to help yourself and fast step-by-step guide. Click the link in the description.